My nickname is Harry.
ये बंद खोलो बंद मत करो स्टॉप हो रहा है.
Light camera action.
खुद ही बोल रहा है लाइट कैमरा एक्शन.
Catch it.
Like this. ऐसे भी हो जाए. हो गया. देखो 4 GB के मेमोरी में 8 GB नहीं है.
1 चक दे फटे.
Boss, don't do that in between, please.
चलो ठीक.
Wait. Not able to follow what's happening right. We'll tell you from the start. This is Team India's official photo shoot and interview session for the Micromax Asia Cup, where players pose for the cameras and then do some talking. The normal stuff that happens on tours. Nothing exciting. And just then, MS Dhoni makes an entry. And suddenly, the entire exercise became a lot more fun.
पूरा रिकॉर्ड हुआ है जब ये दिखाएंगे उसके बाद जैसे तू भागा है वो भी दिखाएंगे.
We all know MS has a funny bone, and he was in his elements.
T20 में थोड़ा है 228 तेरा हाईएस्ट स्कोर.
मैं देखो मैं बोला इसलिए मैं बोलता हूँ it's my favorite number.
अबे वो क्यों नहीं बोल रहा तू?
An all-new and candid avatar of Captain Cool. That's what makes him a favorite amongst everyone.
ब्रॉडकास्ट पे तुम नचवाते हो मुझे.
It was Hardik Pandya who was on Mahi's radar today.
What you wanna do?
Hardik is a power hitter for the team, but out here, he was taking all the hits.
My jersey number is 228. Once my highest score, now my favorite number.
छत वाला नहीं काउंट है. छत में जो खेलते हैं.
If the captain is in the mood, who can save Pandya? Perhaps the captain himself.
So Bajji calls him Kaua.
अच्छा तूने बताया कि माइक में चिल्लाऊंगा.
And then it was the turn of Suresh Raina.
My jersey number is 3.
तू बोल my jersey number is 48/3.
But when it came to his own interview, Mahi was all professional. But the answers were still mazedar.
My jersey number is, I don't need to tell you.
I'll have to say it's like an ex-marital affair, you know. I was in love with football and then I switched to cricket.
After the captain's exit, it was the turn of the Punjab de Puttars. The free-spirited Punjabi boys with loads of energy. Virat gives some interesting answers.
Yeah, the jump is my favorite celebration. My favorite shot is the cover drive.
After the fun in the shoot, it was time for the superstars to head out for practice. Let's follow them. An intense practice session saw the players gear up for the battles ahead in style. We all know Pudgy's love for playing the big shots. Oh no, that was a miss. Let's try again. Another miss. Once more, and it top edge this time. But Pudgy won't let it go, and he finally does it. Harbhajan the champion. A little later, Pudgy got into another tussle, this time taking on Dhawan. Who was the winner? We don't know that yet. We'll let you know next time.